ginagawa daw si Am? Mars, bababa si Amira. Baba.
Local to eh, local to.
Andyan na si Aldrin! Ang gwapo talaga! Uy, akin yung mangga! Ano mangga? Ano mangga? Ay no! Ito mangga?
Mukha lang ni Aldrin yan. Mukhang mangga.
Akala ko ito yung mangga! Hi mangga! Tignan mo sila. Ba't ka nagpupunta doon?
Kasi gusto ko makita sila.
Anong ginagawa nila? Anong piniplay?
I like swimming. Guys, I like swimming, guys. You know why?
Let me know your name first. What's your name?
Amira.
Amira what?
Amira July down Valencia.
So, look at the camera and then introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Amira July down Valencia. And then I'm one.
How old are you?
I'm 5.
Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
Philippines? Mabuhay!
Hi. And then I love the Philippines because it looks more cooler. And then I miss my brother or my sister.
Who's your brother and your sister? Who's your brother and your sister?
Tito Kel?
That's not your brother, that's your uncle.
No, that's my brother. And then I'm on the beach.
Beach of what? Beach of Sai?
Huh?
Saipan Beach.
Saipan Beach.
That's a Manyagaha. See you soon, Manyagaha.
Parang iba na yung walk.
Parang ano na 7 na to ah.
Iba na yung walk namin.
Hala. Dulo na to oh. Dulo na Saipan. Ano ho? Linggo ba bukas? Linggo na. Hindi, basta walk lang. Yung kumare mo na kaya sa'yo hanggang dulo. Tangin na. Yung dulo niya hanggang dulo ng Saipan. Pagod na ako. Uy, tara na. Wow, nice. Ang galing naman ng pamangking ko. That's my baby, that's my baby. Oh, Mira. That's my baby, that's my baby. Ang ganda daw mag-camping. Paano naman kami magka-camping? Lunes na bukas. Uy! Halika na! Asan yung sun? Asan?